Alrighty, James, here's your 427 boost-friendly LS. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our CNC Brodix heads on it, Whipple Supercharger. Beautiful front end on it. Constructed by Wegner. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Got a dart block in it. Fuel manager Holley. Go in there and make a run. See if she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,900, 736 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque, 829 is really flat all through there, man, real flat. Peak horsepower, 1,021, so everything's good. When you see your engine, you'll find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card. It is full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It will have your engine number, some other specs. If you need something else, that engine number is the easiest way to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That'll take you some more tech stuff. So have a great day.